What's so good about a great grip? Let me show you. The grip is the single line of communications with your gun. Just like Wi-Fi or cellular, if you got a bad connection, you're going to get bad service. So the grip begins with 3 contact points. The soft pad at the bottom of your palm, the 3 lower fingers of your hand, and the web of your hand. Contact will occur from the lower palm, fingers, and then the web. And it'll rotate in a clockwise motion. So the grip provides a constant clockwise force. As you shoot the firearm, the muzzle would like to rise as the bullet exits the muzzle, which is a counterclockwise force. But put them together, they cancel each other out, and now you have a flat shooting firearm. I hope this helped you with your grip. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thank you for helping the channel grow, and like always, be safe, and I'll see you out on the range.